Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of True Renunciation of Action, Chapter 5, Shloka 16. But to those whose ignorance is destroyed by the knowledge of the self, like the sun, to them knowledge reveals the Supreme Brahman.
Chapter 5, Shloka 16. Jnanena tu tadajnanam yesham nashitam atmanah tesham adityavat jnanam prakashayati tatparam.
Chapter 5, Shloka 16. Knowledge is covered by ignorance and hence not experienced. Knowledge is not to be created, for it has to be revealed. Ignorance has to be destroyed by the knowledge of the self. For example, if we are looking for a radium watch in a dark room and it cannot be found as it is covered by something or the other, if the things in the room are moved here and there, suddenly in the very darkness the shining radium is seen and the watch discovered. Similarly, when the ignorance barrier between the self and us is removed, we come to discover the self. Another example of the cloud covering the vision of the sun is helpful in understanding how knowledge has been covered by ignorance. On a cloudy day, the sun is not visible as it is lost behind the clouds. We have no doubt about the presence of the sun, as we know that even the clouds are visible because of the light of the sun. Can the cloud really cover the sun? The cloud is very small compared to the size of the sun, but due to the distance of sun from us, it appears small. Actually, the cloud covers our vision of the sun and hence we cannot see the sun. Like if we put our tiny little finger very close to our eye, it can block the vision of a mighty mountain from us. When the limited ego looks up to the Atma, it finds that the ignorance has covered the infinite. The ignorance is not in the truth, as the clouds are never in the sun. The ignorance is in us due to self-forgetfulness, causes the ego to think that reality is enveloped by ignorance. Like to see the sun, we need no other light. To know self, we don't need any other light. Self is awareness, consciousness, and to become conscious of it We don't need the support of the gross or the subtle body or any separate consciousness. To know knowledge, we need no knowledge other than knowledge. More in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.